Hi YouTube, this is BoDude3 and I'm going to be showing you today how to make awesome stunt airplanes. So first what you need is a piece of paper. Take the piece of paper and fold it all the way over like this. And then you do the same thing to the other side. And you want to make sure they're perfectly even. And when you get done, you're going to have a big X in the middle. And then you take the bottom part of the X, fold it together like this, and it should look like that. Then you take the top part and you press it down. Crease the inside of it like that. And then it should look like any other ordinary airplane. And then you take this flap right here, fold it up, do the same thing with the other side. Like that. And then you take the top part of this and fold it down, not all the way, but where it's just almost touching the other tip. Then you take it, that's the bottom, and then you fold it like a regular airplane. And the trick with this airplane is you have to get this part right here really low, otherwise it's not going to look right. Like that. Then you take the sides right here, fold them up just a little bit, so you have these extra wings. And then you tear a little slit right here, or you can cut it with scissors. And you fold that right there. That's going to control the way your plane flips. And you can fold them down or put one up and then one down, make it turn and do cool stuff like that. And anyways, that's how you make an awesome stunt airplane. Thanks for watching.